Hello children, welcome back to the online class of 8th standard, the lesson before the match. So before the match, the lesson itself tells us what happens playing before the match. Here match is a cricket match which is a lesson taken out from the Swami and Friends. So where did you find this name? Did you hear this name? Yes. Swami and Friends is a part of a Malgudi Days. So there is a serial that is Malgudi Days. Swami is Swaminathan and he has 4 friends, Rajam, Mani, Shankar and P. Yes, P-E-A. Okay. It is a novel written by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is a Indian writer who was among the 3 most important writers who carved a place for Indian writing in English. He is from India and he wrote his novels in English. In his first novel, Swami and Friends, he describes in that book the adventures of a schoolboy. So what the schoolboys did in the 1930s. Now we are in 2020. In the 1930s, what children were doing? Yes. So it is the story written by R.K. Narayan. So who was R.K. Narayan? The full name of R.K. Narayan is Rasipuram Krishnaswamy Ayyar Narayana Swami. He was born on 10th October. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? 2nd October. And when do we celebrate Children's Day? November 14. So he born on 10th of October in 1906 in Madras Residency. Now it is called as Chennai. He is well known for his stories set in the fictional town in Malgudi. So fictional town means it is given imagination. By the imagination he called it as Malgudi. It was not there, but later on Malgudi Days, a sequence of serials became so popular that place name is named as Malgudi nowadays. He was a leading author in Indian literature in English. From India, he was a leading means everyone were reading his books. He has won many awards like Filmfare Award. It is the biggest award given to the film industry people. Filmfare Award, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. We have here new words. One is peace of mind. So peace of mind means our mind always it should be cool without any worries. Don't have a peace of mind. Yes. Next one is we have a sentence here. I could not have complete peace of mind before they returned. Until my parents came back to home, I was not in peace of mind. Unimpressive which is not looking impressive. If we draw something attractive, it is impressive. That means others get attracted towards looking beautiful. The dancer gave an unimpressive performance. If it is not good to look, then it is unimpressive. Anxiety means say to worry or fear about something. If we have exam, we get tensed, too much fear about it and worried about it. That is anxiety. She felt acute anxiety at her fear. ಭಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೋಪ ಬಂತು, ಭಯ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೋಪ ಬಂದರೆ that is anxiety. Fortnight means it is 15 days or 2 weeks. I go to temple at fortnight means 15 ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಲ. ಸೊ ಮಂಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮಂಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, 2 ಮಂಡೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಗುಡಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ತಿಂಗಳದಾಗೆ 2 ಸಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ನೈಟ್, 2 ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಸಲ. Your mother may be paying somewhere money like any installment, that is fortnight, or we pay any bills fortnight, or any other bills, that is fortnight. We are going for on a holidays for a fortnight. Okay, next we have desperate, out of control. He was desperate. I made a desperate attempt to persuade her to change her mind. Okay, mind change ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. I was desperate. Delirious. So in the lesson we have the word delirious. Speaking or thinking in a crazy way, often because of illness. ಆರಾಮಿರ್ಲಾರ್ದಾಗ ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಲೀರಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಹೈ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಲೀರಿಯಸ್. when we some people, if they get high fever, they behave delirious. Prosecuted, punished by law because one has done something wrong. Prosecuted, if you do something wrong, punished by the law if you do something wrong. Okay, next we have here scouting, activities related to an organization called the Scout Association. Scout and guides, we have scouts and guides in the schools. In different schools they have scouts and guides. The work they do, that is scouting. It was originally meant for boys to train young people in practical skills and involve them in many activities like camping. Scouting means some children in different schools, they have the uniform. The boys are called as scouts and the girls are called as guides. Scout and guides. So that is scouting. Of late means in recent times. Late means in olden days, that at that time, ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ. Choke, make it difficult for someone to speak because they do not have enough air. ಸೊ ಗಾಳಿ ಇರ್ಲಾರ್ದಾಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ಮನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನಫ್ ಏರ್. ಎಕ್ಸಮೈನ್ಡ್, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಮೈನ್ಡ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಆಟ್ ಸಮ್ವನ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಲಿ ಟು ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಮೈನ್ ದ ಪೇಷಂಟ್. ಎಸ್, so that is examined. Here in this lesson, Swaminathan was examined by the doctor in the pink of health. No any health ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಡ್ ಆಫ್, ಸಾಕು ತೆಗೆದು ಅದರಿಂದ ದೂರ ಆಗೋದು. ನಿಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಡ್ಯಾಂಡ್ರಫ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಡ್ಯಾಂಡ್ರಫನ್ನು ಹೋಗ್ಲಾಡ್ಸೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಡ್. ಅಥವಾ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಡಾದಂಥವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಂದ ದೂರ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಡ್ ಆಫ್. ಟು ಫ್ರೀ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. Think that you have exam on Monday and in your home the guests came on Sunday. So you feel little bit difficulty to study. So what do you feel in your mind? ಹೆಂಗಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವ್ರ ಮನೆಗಿಂತ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ಯದಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಡ್ ಆಫ್. ಪ್ರಾಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ. ಪ್ರಾಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾ. ದಂಡ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ದಂಡದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. 10,000 ದಂಡ, 1,00,000 ದಂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, 1 ತಿಂಗಳು ಜೈಲಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂತಲೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ glossary, that is new words which are going to have in the lesson. And in this lesson there are 2 groups. One is Swaminathan group, that is Young Men's Union, and one more Malgudi Cricket Club. He is the doctor and Swaminathan, he is his drill master. So that is YMU, 2 groups. 2 groups in the lesson are YMU, Young Men's Union, MCC, Malgudi Cricket Club. Okay, let us start our lesson. Are you ready? Very good. Lesson number 3, before the match. R.K. Narayan was an Indian writer who was among the 3 most important writers who carved a place for Indian writing in English. In his first novel, Swami and Friends, he describes the adventures of a group of schoolboys in India in the 1930s. This is an extract from Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. The match was to be played on Sunday 2 weeks later. 2 ವಾರ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಸಂಡೇ ಇತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಚು, ಅದರ 15 ದಿನಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ರಾಜಮ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, ಪೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಶಾಂತ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Rajam lost all peace of mind. He felt confident that his team could thrash the YMU. ನನ್ನ ಟೀಮಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಮಾಲ್ಗುಡಿ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಅದ ನಮ್ಮದು, ನಾವು YMUದವರಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೋಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. He himself could be depended upon to not let down the team. So he was dependent. Who? Rajam was dependent on his team. There was Swami, Mani, Shankar and P also. So Mani was steady if unimpressive. Mani was not so impressive. He could be depended upon to stop with his head if necessary any ball. His batting was not bad. His batting was not bad, he was good. There was only one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. So who was that boy who made Rajam to lose his peace? So ಯಾರ್ಲಿಂದ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ರಜಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ, on him rested a great task, a might responsibility. He was the tate of the team. So he was worried about the tate of the team. So I told you in the words and meanings who was tate. Yes, tate was the famous English fast bowler. His name was Maurice Tate. Okay. And he looked uncertain. Even with the match only a fortnight off, he did not seem to care for practice. That was Swami. So Swaminathan was the boy who worried, who made a big problem for Rajam, that he was not for practice. He was not coming every day for the practice. So Rajam requested, please do try to have at least an hour's practice in the evenings. So he told Swaminathan, please come and attend the practice at least in the evenings. Certainly Rajam, if you can suggest a way. Swaminathan said, if you give me some suggestion how to come and when to come, let me try. Because I am having the school 4 to 6, so what to do, from 10 to 6, what to do now? Why not tell your headmaster that? So Rajam told, why don't you tell your headmaster about that? Then Swaminathan said, oh, no, Swaminathan cried, I am grateful to you for your suggestion, but let us not think of that man. ಅವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಪ್ಪ, ನನಗೆ ಅವನಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೀಗ ಹೇಳಬೇಡ, ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. I don't care. What I want is that you should have good practice. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again. What did Rajam tell? I don't care. What I want is that you should have a good practice. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again. So Rajam told, you don't tell about your headmaster or any problem. I want you should practice. And in the match, you should not make any batsman to stand more than 5 minutes. That means you have to make them out. Then just 7 days before the match, 1 week passed now. So 7 days passed out. Swaminathan realized. Then Swaminathan understood the importance of practice. I should get practice. If I practice, I can make the YMU defeat. Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. He thought himself, however, I have to defeat the Young Men's Union. As soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground. As soon as the bell rang, they have to go for games period. In those days, they were having 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock games period. After the school hours, they used to play some games like hide and seek or kunta pilyata athava exercises, many other things which made them strong. But contrary to the custom, he had not taken off his coat and cap all the others were in. Okay, as soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground. So when the bell rang 4 o'clock, he came out of the class and he stood in a line with his friends. But contrary to the custom, there was a rule. Custom means rules, that they have to remove their cap and coat off, because to play some games they have to remove their coats and caps. But he was not removed. All others were in their shirts. All others were in their shirts, but he was wearing a coat and a cap. With their dhotis tucked up, the drill master stopped before him. Now the drill master came in a line and saw that Swaminathan has not removed his coat and cap, and passed on muttering, "You won't get leave. Coat and cap off? Can't you remove this cap and coat?" he said to the Swaminathan. Swaminathan became desperate. What is the meaning of desperate? Yes. Desperate means he was little bit angry of it. What to? Out of control. Tried something, but he failed to do so and pursued him. He thought not to remove and go for practice, but he was unable. "Sir, I am in terrible state of health." ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ ಸರ್, ನನಗೆ ಆಗಲಿನಿಂದಲೂ ಈಗ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. "ಐ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಿಲ್ ಟುಡೇ, ಐ ಶಾಲ್ ಡೈ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಡೂ." ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಡ್ರಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸತ್ತೇ ಹೋಗ್ತೇನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಅಷ್ಟು ಆರಾಮಿಲ್ಲರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ದ ಡ್ರಿಲ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಯ್. ಸರ್ ಅವ್ನ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಾಮಿನಾಥನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಪ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗಂತ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. He turned round on Swaminathan with a fierce oath. ಏನಂತ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಸಿಟ್ಟಿನಾಗ. "ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು? ಏನಾಗೈತೆ ನಿನಗೆ?" "Sir, the whole of last night I was delirious." The drill master was stunned by this piece of news. "You were delirious? ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. "Sir, the whole of last night I was delirious." The drill master was stunned by this piece of news. "You were delirious?" "I didn't sleep a wink last night. I was delirious. Our doctor said so. He has asked me not to attend drill for a week to come." ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿನಾಥನ್ told to the drill master, "Sir, our doctor said don't attend drill class for 1 week. Upcoming 1 week. I don't believe a word. Get out." Then the drill master said, "I don't believe you. Go and bring the doctor certificate. Get out." Then everybody at the field was happy to see him so early. Rajam jumped with joy. Then when the drill master told him to get out, he ran away to the practice. Where he went, everyone were happy to see him. Rajam jumped with joy. Rajam came with happy to meet Swaminathan. They practiced now. Next morning what happened? He formed a plan. Now he thought, yesterday sir told me not to practice, but today I have to show him the proof, that is a doctor's certificate. So what to do? The next morning he formed a plan to be free all the evenings of the week. It was 7:30 in the morning. In the 7:30 in the morning he was moving out of the house, and he had still 2.5 hours before him for the school. So the school was 10 o'clock. At 7:30 he was out of the home roaming. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. Slowly, silently he went out of the house. He stood before a shop. ಮನೆಗಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ there was a shop hung. There was a board on the shop. What was the board? Dr. T. Kesavan, LM and S. Sri Krishna Dispensary. Dispensary means the place where we get the medicine, tablet, syrup and all. Swaminathan found the doctor was alone and free and entered the shop. In the hospital, in the medical shop, he went. Who went? Swaminathan went. What was the name of the doctor? Dr. T. Kesavan, LM and S. Sri Krishna Dispensary. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? The doctor said the boy. Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? Doctor, I have to go have a doctor's certificate immediately. Sir, I want the doctor's certificate. What is the matter with you? Then he asked, this doctor asked, what is the matter with you? I will tell you the truth. Doctor, I have to play a match next week against the Young Men's Union and I must have some practice. And yet every evening there is drill class. So he told, sir, I have to go for the practice. Scouting, some dirty period or other. So I can't go for scouting. Now I have to go for the practice. Then doctor told, if you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help the MCC to win the match. Doctor said, what is the matter? Then the boy told, if you could give me a certificate, sir, if you give me the certificate, that means a permission I will get by the drill master. Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you? Certificate you want now? Yes, I will give. But what happened to you? Anything wrong? Swaminathan took half a second and to find an answer. Swaminathan was waiting for some minutes, for half a second, and then he told, certainly I am beginning to feel of late and that I have delirium. If I tell the truth, what will the doctor will do? He will scold me. So he told, I have a delirium. Then doctor thought laughing, hey boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? Do you know what is delirium? He started laughing. I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of a stomachache, sir? The doctor started laughing. The doctor laughed till a great fit coughing threatened to choke him. Until his stomach started paining, he was laughing by the Swaminathan words. After that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye. He checked his eyes, examined his tongue. Examined means to check. Tapped his chest, and declared him to be in the pink of health. Then he told, you are in a pink of health. Pink of health means everything okay. And told him he would do well to stick to his delirium drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. The doctor told, if you want to get rid of the delirium now, go and have a drill practice. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evenings free. Then Swaminathan thought, no, I have to tell the truth to the doctor. Then Swaminathan explained everything. But the doctor said, it is very well, but I should be prosecuted if I give you any such certificate. If I give that type of certificate, I will get the punishment. Who is going to find it out, doctor? Then Swaminathan asked, if you give me certificate, who will find out? That means you are doing wrong. Who will find out? Do you want our MCC to lose the match? Now in soul be confounded, sir. The doctor ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. I wish you all success. Don't worry, I can't give you a certificate. Then the doctor said, I wish you all the success. Don't worry. If you want a certificate, now you want the certificate, but I can't give you a certificate, a fake certificate. But I can talk to your headmaster and request you to go leave you at 4:30. Then that will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. Yes, that you can do, sir. That I want only to go of the drill class at 4:30. If you do that, it will be a good help. He told to the Swami doctor, and he went. So the doctor asked the permission by the headmaster, and he was allowed to go to the practice. Then they played the cricket. And this is one more story you have in the future about continuation, what happens and how they played. Okay, so in the holidays you can watch Malgudi Cricket Club stories, which gives you a moral in your life, and little bit it is interesting also. Okay, so now thank you for watching. Keep watching. Have a nice time. Have a great time. Bye.